In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on eToro. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account and that everything looks normal before moving forward. Taking a moment here can help avoid placing a trade from the wrong account or using the wrong balance. Next, go to the search bar and look for the stock you want to buy. This is where you can type in either the company name or its ticker symbol. For example, if you want to find Apple, you can search for AAPL. As you type, eToro will show matching results, so just choose the correct stock from the list. This is an important step because many assets can have similar names, and you want to make sure you're selecting the exact company you intend to invest in. Once you find the stock, open its stock page by clicking on it from the search results. This page gives you more information about the asset, including its chart, recent performance, and other useful details. If you're new to investing, this is a good place to pause briefly and confirm that you're on the right stock before placing an order. After that, click the Trade button. This will open the order window where you can set up your purchase. In this window, enter the amount you want to invest. Be careful to type the amount correctly, since this determines how much of your money will go into the stock. Before you complete the trade, review the order settings carefully. Check the investment amount and also look at leverage, stop loss, and take profit settings. These options can affect how your trade behaves, so it's a good idea to understand what is selected before continuing. If your goal is simply to buy and hold the stock, make sure the settings match that intention. When everything looks right, click the green Buy button at the bottom of the order window. This confirms your order and places the trade. Finally, to view your investment, open your portfolio. This is where you'll see your stock position, along with its current value and performance. It's the main area you'll use to monitor your investment after buying. And that's it. That's how to buy stocks on eToro, from signing in to checking your position in your portfolio. Thanks for watching.